Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to create custom task views for sales teams in ClickUp, your essential guide for 2025. The first step is to log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, navigate to the space where your sales team operates. The reason we do this is because spaces in ClickUp are like your very own digital offices. They keep everything sorted and organized, specific to each team. Now that we're in the right space, let's move on to the list view. Click on the plus icon next to your project's name to create a new list. Lists are essentially categories where you can group related tasks together. This helps us because it allows us to categorize tasks based on different sales processes, making it easier for the team to manage their workload. Next up, we'll create a custom view. Click on the plus Add View button at the top of the screen and select Custom. Custom views in ClickUp are powerful because they let you tailor the information displayed according to your team's needs. For a sales team, you might want to track things like lead status, potential revenue, or follow-up dates. Once you've selected the custom option, it's time to configure the view. You can add or remove fields based on what information is most crucial for your sales team. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is essentially creating a personalized dashboard for your team, displaying only the data that matters to them. Finally, don't forget to save your custom view. Click Save View, give it a name, and you're done. The reason this step is so important is that it allows you to revisit this view anytime, keeping your team organized and efficient. And there we have it. You've just crafted a custom task view for your sales team in ClickUp. This process will help your team stay on top of their tasks, streamline their processes, and ultimately close those sales deals more effectively. Remember, the key to efficient sales operations is effective task management. Till next time, keep clicking up.